This is an Adria Coral on the Mercedes Sprinter base. It is a motorhome. It's going to cost 131,000 euros. So it's the Coral Supreme MB670 DL. You can put as much as 4.5 tons, which with an empty weight of 3,310 is going to leave you a stack of payload. It is 769 centimeters long, 230 wide, has an outer height of 290. When you come in, it face to face with a large table here. We've got a flat floor, a flat double floor, and we've got 3 steps up to the bed, which comes with a German bed layout. Storage at the back, and under there you can see we've got a light switch, and could do with some electric point. As I come here, you can see we've got this bulge. We'll see what that is when we go in the washroom, and there's another bulge for storing stuff in the bedroom. Under the bed we've got storage down here. We've got the bed will come over like that. It gives us access into this enormous wardrobe. We can't be bothered to do it that way. We can of course open it this way, and in this case a light comes on. Maybe the light's more needed when you open it from that way, I don't know. On the other side we've got drawers, and as you might expect in the steps, you've also got storage. Let's open this thing here. Let's stick that in there. Oh, it's a bit of a push. Well, I think you need 2 hands to do this, but that gives you an idea of how big the bed is at the back. So it's almost 4 square meters, almost. So it's an enormous bed at the back. Shower here, 2 proper sized drainage, nice place to sit down, and there's a bar at the top, which is great for hanging your socks on when to dry, or even storing clothes if you don't want to use the shower when you're on a campsite. I'm curious to know how many people don't ever use the shower in their vehicle. But anyway, we'll do a poll that sometime. Washroom here, toilet here, with one of these daft sinks. Somebody might like them. That's the storage unit I mentioned from inside. Here we've got some more toiletries can be held up there. On the point actually of the shower, I'll just make how much space there is inside. Look how big it is. It's enormous. It's got plenty of height up here, and okay, that's not so bad either. But the height is really impressive for the people who are tall. Hook up there, very useful. Kitchen starts off on the right here with a tower fridge from Thetford, and modern kitchen block, sink, 3 burners. Down here we've got a grill and a Thetford one, storage under here, and storage units with very nice indirect lighting all the way around. Now flat floor here. So in the flat floor you'll find down here is the battery compartment, and down here is the water, which I think is a particularly useful place to put it should you decide to load, put your water in from here rather than the outside inlet. Sorry, it's freezing here in Stuttgart, and that's why I've got my clothes on, and I got a bit ill at the beginning of the week. Right, face to face, what you've got under these chairs, you've got another chair. Another chair is pointing forwards, and I'll be able to demonstrate this more here. So if you want to actually use these chairs for sitting in whilst the vehicle's moving, here, this will come away, and that's a place down there for your feet. Same on this side as well. There's the boiler unit. Even in my vehicle, which was built in 2006, there's something like this as a part of the chair, which will come away should the rear seats, the rear bench. It's not a bench in my case because it's a what you call it, an L-shaped arrangement. But so it has been around on the market for some time. But what we've got here above all is the fact that the back is normally here, and the seat under there will have a back here. So if those wanting this face-to-face arrangement, they now have to have chairs under it. The table is, I think you'd agree, absolutely enormous. And it'll come over like that. Not only that, that one was then out, it didn't even have the support for it out. It still looked quite good. On this side, television can go there. We've got a space below for keeping your sandals or whatever. So sit down here and open this when you come in. Stick your sandals down there. And if you've got fire in the van at the same time, you can put the fire out. Although I'd probably put the fire out before you take your sandals off. Well, that's just my suggestion. Some daft storage over the. Oh no, that's horrible coffee maker. These things, so yeah, so the coffee thing, the coffee solution, as Carthago calls it, goes there, and these pods come in here. I know everybody seems to drink the things, but I think so. Don't drink proper coffee, in my opinion. But I'm a coffee snob. There you go. What do you call them? Flynet in the door. We have a very large door. It's got 2 locking points, and it's got a bin here, which I'm told some people use for the dog's lead. You can also use it for rubbish, but don't let the dog think its lead is rubbish. Oh, the dog probably thinks its lead's rubbish, I would imagine. Here we have one of these, a blackout thing. Another point, don't leave this up when the sun is out, because it can buckle the outside window. Let the air circulate. This is for blinds at night, not for use to make the motorhome dark during the day. Fantastic large garage in here. Oh, there's some of the cushions which I was talking about from inside, which possibly from this vehicle, but when you put it in the forward-facing position, I think that's what they are used for. I think, don't know. Okay, I'll show you on the other side as well, but there's another vehicle there, and you can see another vehicle in a different video. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to close this door here, so you can get a good look at it when it says closed. Coral 670 DL Supreme, or here it's called Coral Supreme MB 670 DL, so whatever the name is of it. Here we've got a secure place to put your electrical connection, EHU, electrical hookup, going through there like that, and then you can lock it. The point of that is meant to be so nobody pinches your cable, and cables can be quite expensive. Okay, thanks so much for watching, hope you found it interesting. Load every day at 21:15, and all the best from me in, where am I? Stuttgart CMT. I know it's out because it's freezing outside. Bye for now.